Welcome! In front of me I have ULEFONE Smartwatch and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face. Now swipe left on the screen to open the menu, then scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings, and in the settings you should see the option called dimming. And to adjust the screen brightness, tap on this option and you can keep tapping on it to toggle between different levels of brightness. Set the brightness to the level you like, for example the second one, and once you're done, press the side button to go back to watch face like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.